Hey, hello and welcome. This is Mike from Adventures in Flight. Thank you for joining me. If you're like me and you have a dog, you know that your dog is going to wake you up in the middle of the night. At all times of the night. Well, my dog is no exception. He takes some sick pleasure in waking me up. He'll go outside and do absolutely nothing. But anyway, I digress. This morning, he woke me up right before 7 a.m. I take him out. I notice that the sky is clear. And I'm thinking, you know what? I have a few minutes. I can scramble and get some sunrise pictures. And that's just what I'm going to do. Let's get to it.